Hello everyone, it is Andrea. Today I'm coming at you with the September Mystery Collection. This is already shipped. If you want to get your hands on it, I would check out the Buy Sell Trade group. If you sign up next month, you'll get different art, but it's always exclusive art, and this month is no exception. This is a craft room theme. I feel like I'm getting into my crafty era. I'm doing like vinyl things, I'm doing crocheting things, junk journaling things. I'm always painting things, and I just think that this is such a fun, beautiful collection. The art is by Darcy, and let me give you some close-ups. I love the colors. I think they're so fun and perfect for any craft day or just an anytime collection that is very like, it doesn't have any like seasonal theme, you know. I think my favorite thing about this is the like the cookie tin with the sewing stuff in here. I think that's so fun. You have your inks and the glue and the pins and the sewing machine, and I am obsessed with it. I love the cutting mat. I think that's so cute. But I love the purple and the yellow together. I think it is so fun. The little hand with the sewing machine. You have spray paint, glue sticks, the everyone's favorite hot glue gun that you just use for everything. And I am so obsessed with this set. I think it turned out so gorgeous, and Darcy did such a good job. You have your little like painting corner. You have a fashion option here and the other two skin tones for the box with the sewing machine. You have some doodles in here, and then the foil for this I think is so pretty. There's actually a couple that I was going between, and this is the ice foil, which I feel like matches the blue so nice. So you have this in the gilded format, so this is just like a nice little sprinkle, almost looks like for this spray paint, and there is that spray paint can in there. You have the 6 full boxes with the glitter header overlays, 2 of those. You have 2 of the bougie boxes of the gilded design, the icons and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi, hole reinforcers, decos, date numbers, fancy little header overlays, and bottom washi overlays. And I love this collection. I feel like it like embodies my current era. That and like gardening right now is everything to me, and I just think it's so fun to be able to express yourself, or even if you're doing something with your kids or your niece, your nephew, whoever. I think it's a fun time. I'm going to go ahead and also show you the journaling set. So let's go ahead and get into that real quick. The set that I just showed you before, the sticker kit, is on glossy sticker paper. The journaling set is on matte sticker paper. So first thing here is this is cut out with like a rounded corner. I just wanted to note that. And that has like a little extra scene there. But again, I'm obsessed. I love the like Copic looking markers. And then you have the smaller deco page, the torn papers, the washi strips, the watercolor splashes, the arch scene sticker. You have this extra sheet here with the more fashion options, another one of those rounded box scenes. I just really loved the scenes in this set. You have the ransom letters, which I think are so fun, and then you have the daily as well. And then there is also just this. I thought this would be fun for layering. I really love this paper, so I wanted to add a little extra, as well as my favorite element from the set, which is the cookies. So that is the journaling set. I need a drink, but I hope you like this month's collection. I'm really excited for next month. The next month is more of a seasonal theme. It's gonna be very winter-esque, so if that's something you're interested in, always exclusive art. Next month's art is by Clip Art Kits, and I'm very, very excited for you to see that. But that is everything for this month. I hope you like it, and I will talk to you in my next video.